Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the clip on your timeline. Now grab the precise frame. Move the playhead to the desired moment and zoom the timeline if needed so you hit the exact frame. Once positioned, pause playback and nudge frame by frame with the arrow keys for pixel-perfect selection. Make sure your timeline resolution matches the output you need because the capture reflects project settings. Once done, keep the viewer visible. The next steps will export that paused frame as a standalone image you can use anywhere. You can export directly from the Edit viewer or switch to the color page for more control. In Edit, click the camera/export frame icon, pick PNG or TIFF for quality, set color space to match your deliverable, then name the file and choose a folder. If you prefer the color page, create a grab still, right-click the still in the gallery and choose Export. That route preserves grade and node state. Either way, verify format and resolution, so your image keeps intended sharpness and color fidelity. After saving, open the file in your system viewer to confirm resolution and colors match expectations. Re-import the image into Resolve to ensure it aligns with the timeline and grading. If the capture is too small, confirm your project/timeline resolution and change export format to an uncompressed type like TIFF. If colors shift, make sure export color space matches timeline color management. And if you can't find the export control, toggle the viewer UI or use the color page gallery export. That usually resolves missing buttons.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.